go, YouTube. Folks, peeps. While she plays with a music box, and I untangle this cord, we got something fun to show you, right? You don't even know what this is.
What is it?
This, let me scroll down here, literally scroll down. This device is...
a metal bender.
It's a Jigsaw Junior. It's a jigsaw for kids. My wife bought it for me. It's an actual jigsaw. Safe, fun, constructive, built-in, safety-sealed rotary motor. So it's...
You can make anything out of it?
what this is let's just say, what this is, as far as I'm concerned, this is a blade here, and you can cut stuff with it.
Yeah, for little kids.
I don't think it's safe for any kids.
I think it'll be safe for me.
Maybe. Wait, we'll see how this starts and runs. See if it works. There's on off switch. Safety glasses. Well, it kind of works. Whoa, look at that. Let's try it out on a piece of cardboard. This is the Safe Sun BVI Jigsaw Junior. What year is this? I'll have to look it up.
For Junior?
This is a model J190B 50 watt 1.60 cycle AC only, manufactured by Burgess Fibercrafters Inc. Grayscale, Illinois, made in USA. It's a kid's toy jigsaw.
I think that would not be good for kids.
I don't think it's good for kids either, but let me fix this thing here. It's kind of off.
I'm
The covers. You're freezing. It's not even cold though. So anyway, we're gonna like jigsaw thing here for you. There we go. Look at that. Let's just say it's not working too good. I don't know if it's because... What happened here?
I want to unplug it.
Don't unplug it.
I don't like it.
It's annoying. You gotta see what works. Look at it. It's alive. Wait. That's weird. It's like that, it's like a Mad Max film. So anyway, my wife got me this brand new jigsaw. What am I gonna do with it? We bought it for decoration for in the store. So, no, I'm not using this. Oh, hell no. But you want to use it for crafts in your room?
Maybe.
Maybe you can cut your arm off with it?
No.
That's what some kid will probably end up doing with it. Chopping a limb off. So yeah.
Did you say chopping a worm off?
A limb. L-I-M-B. Limb. Limbo.
What's a limb?
A limb. This is a limb. Your arm right here. Your whole arm.
It doesn't look like a limb.
A limbo.
It doesn't look like a Templeton.
A Templeton. So anyway, this is the device. You see the top. It's actually, there's a bottom with one screw. Maybe I'll restore it. Yeah, maybe I'll just open it up and see what. Comes with a little switch right there. And all the writing is on the back. And little Miss Freezy Freeze. You could read the writing there. Or hit pause. Anyway, that's that before she freezes it. Don't even do that. It's dangerous in here. Dingleberry is trying to pull the chair off from behind me. Bye. Bye, Felicia's.